Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm the editor, currently third year medical student of Delta State University. Okay, so basically in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to print your forms, your screening forms from DELSU Portal. Alright, so let's just head straight to the process. So all I need to do is to log in. Okay, so I'm going to log in, type your username. Basically, your username is the your reg number. Okay, then your password, you should have your password the way you have been logging in for some informations like paying of acceptance fee, medicals, and other things you have been doing on the portal. So this is me here. I'm going to log in and I click on login. Okay, so once you log in, you see something like this. So in this place, as you can see in this place, you see something like this. All right, you see something like this, your medical screening on red and screening form in blue. Then all you need to do is to click on this screening form. As you can see it here, you click on screening form. All right, so once you click on screening form, you will now see these things here: acceptance form, personal form, and clearance form. So these three forms, you are going to print 3 of them together. All right, so you can see the instructions. The instructions are there already. So the first instruction is to pay and get your 4 files. Right, okay, so right now it is 4 files. So you get your files. Then the next thing is to print your acceptance form. That's the first form, clearance form, and the personal data form. Okay, then the third process is to pay for your faculty and departmental due, and attach it to the form printed. Okay, so we'll head straight to print the acceptance form. So you click on acceptance form. All right, so you will see something like this. Okay, so DELSU has made everything easy, so you don't need to stress yourself to do anything. All you just need to do is to print it out. Okay, so now you have something like this. Then the next thing to do when you want to print it out is you will see these 3 dots above the screen in the right top corner. You click on it. All right, once you click on it, the next thing you go to is the share. All right, you see share here, then you click on share. All right, you click on share. Then the next thing is to print. You click on print here, print, you click on print, and once you click on print, you see it's loading. Then you see an interface like this. Okay, you see an interface like this. Then all you need to do is to print PDF. So that's to save it as PDF. All right, then to take it to your file. While it has taken it to your file, then all you need to do is to save it. Save it. So I can decide to save it the way it is here, and I just click on save. So you have printed it successfully. All right, so you don't need to do anything, just to print it. Then the day you'll be going for your screening, you just put the date where date is signified. Then the same thing, your name is already here, so you just need to sign above your name. That's just all you are going to do. All details has been filled already from your portal. Okay, the same thing, personal form. Okay, so your personal form also has everything. All you need to do is to click on this print form. So you can see that the personal data form has the print already. Okay, it has print already. So you just click on print. All right, you click on print, it will take you to that same place you just came out from. Then you click on your PDF and you save it again. Okay, you save it. So you can decide to change the name before you save it. Then the last form is clearance. You still do the same process. You click on clearance form. All right, so if you look at this clearance form, you'll see that there is no there's no print here. Okay, then you still follow that procedure. You click on these 3 dots, then you click on share. All right, you click on share, then you click on print. All right, you click on print. So you click on print, and then you just save as PDF here. Okay, then you save it. All right, so this is just how you print out your screening form. Everything has been made very easy, and after printing, you attach to your files. You make payments for your faculty and departmental due, and you just head straight for your screen, and that is all that you need to do. So if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, please do well to hit the subscribe button, like this video, and share to other freshers who will find this video helpful. And see you in the next video.